My name is Jenna Fricasso. I am originally from Melrose, Massachusetts, a town about 20 minutes north of Boston. I am going into my junior year here at UVM studying environmental engineering. And this summer I am a facilities management intern. I have learned so much just in the month and a half that I've been here so far about what it is like to be an engineer. And my main project for this summer has been looking especially at the stormwater infrastructure, particularly the catch basins around campus. I go around and measure the sediment that's built up in them, but I'm also working with getting other information just around campus just to make sure that everything is running smoothly up to code and that campus is safe and stable and everything is on the right track. I've loved working for the physical plant. It's been really fun. There's so many different paths that an engineer can take, and this is one that it's been really cool to watch. I mean, I've shadowed my two bosses at their different job sites, and being there for an hour, I've learned so much. I've been taking lots of mental notes as I'm out there, to keep with me later, 100%.